The trainers play a very important part in the years to come. I believe you are able to help our agents and rise them up to another level. And I want to sincerely thank you so much for you lifting ERA agents. Thank you.
By being a giver and being here to help ERA with the events,
I personally find joy
to empower more of our agents.
lives change or even improve. Having everybody here all as givers together, we experience the warmth, the unity and the bonding through food and drink.
whatever that we do behind the scene, out of our own time and effort, is being recognized.
It's not all about money, it's not about anything. It's really about being part of the company and really empowering all our agents.
I'm just very thankful that the company appreciate us for giving back to the company.
Okay, guys, ready? Run!